I lost 180 pounds, and here's what I ate today to shed 12 regained pounds. Boo. I knew something like this was going to happen at some point, and I have a meeting I have to get to. So I'm just showing you, there's my salad. I always have the same salad, but I have a meeting I got to get to, and so I'm hungry, so I'm not going to chit-chat with y'all. Yes, my food is out here on the concrete. That is ground beef. There's some Rayo's marinara. I put a little corn salsa just for an experiment. Ground beef, Rayo's, some Parmesan cheese, and some seasoning. So that's what I'm having for lunch tonight. I have Allie, so I don't really know exactly how this video is going to go, but just know that's what I'm having for lunch, and we'll deal with the rest later. Hi guys, how you doing? So I showed you what I ate. I was going into a webinar, and so I was like, well, I can't really like sit down and show y'all my food, but and like I said, I have Allie tonight, but I don't know how it's going to go down tonight. But I will tell you, I took some last night. I was like, I'm going to be proactive, and I took some chicken and some Alfredo, and I finished off my windy out here and the sun's out. So finished off my feta cheese. So anyway, so that along with my creamy will be my supper. But what I did want to talk about, in a few weeks, I know I'm telling you all this ahead of time, but I have cameras on my house and neighbors, so I ain't worried about it. Anyway, I got a trip coming up, and so what I've been working on is I always keep on my phones in the notes section. I keep a list of everything that I pack for a trip. Well, this time I'm going to Branson, so for a work trip. So I thought I would kind of run over some of the things that I do for a trip, just in case y'all ever care. So first off, I take the hotel information for logging in, and I take my personal phone, take my work phone, I take my iPad, I take my chargers, my car charger, and my work laptop, and a power strip, and an extension cord. That's all the electronic stuff. And then I've got all my food related stuff. So then we're getting into, I take Ziploc bags, like blank ones, empty ones. So if I go out to eat somewhere and there's extra stuff, then I can throw it in a Ziploc bag and bring it home with me. My flavor enhancers, gum, electrolytes, instant coffee, and I'll take my coffee creamer powder. I didn't put this on here, and I don't have a pen, but editing Terri will probably, I know packing Terri, like a coffee syrup. I'll bring coffee syrup. I'll have 2 shaker cups, and what I'll do is I will go on and make up my coffee like the night before, and I'll have it in the refrigerator, so in the morning it'll be cold coffee. And then also with the other shaker cup, what I'll do is whenever we get up there that night, I'll go on, or in the morning, however I'm going to do it, but I'm going to make keto chows in my shaker cup and put that in the refrigerator. So then that will be cold by the time in the evening, whenever I come home, I can have that, or come back to my hotel, I can drink on that. I'll have my water cup, my handy dandy water cup. Now by the way, I'm a big packer. So I'll have 5 keto chows, just 2 or 3 plastic forks, and a couple plastic knives. Now, I've already figured out I'm going to be gone. We leave out on Tuesday afternoon. Now, please understand, we will go out to eat, but I would rather take extra food than not enough food. So I plan on having enough for 4 burgers every day. So I want 2, 4, 6. Well, Suzanne and I will definitely be, I know we're going out to eat the first night, but I will also, I didn't add jerky. Ed and Terri, add jerky to your list. So I'm going to have burgers, jerky, but I figured out 12 burgers, so I'll have like 2 per Ziploc bag, and then maybe like that morning, because we're staying in the same hotel our convention's in, so that's pretty cool. We don't usually get that. So I'll take down like 2 burgers in the morning. I'm also going to take some waffles, 9 waffles. So in the mornings, maybe I'll take down some waffles. They are going to have, I didn't bring it out with me. I did see the Wednesday, they don't have breakfast. It starts, I think, like at 10, so we don't get breakfast. But that's why they started at 10. But then Thursday and Friday, they have like cheesy scrambled eggs, which we know is powdered eggs. They will have some bacon. So my thought process is for my breakfast, what I might do is bring down 3. That's all going to be those keto chow waffles that I made. So it'll be half of a serving of keto chow along with 2 eggs and a splash of water. So what I might do is bring down the 3 waffles and maybe 1 burger patty for my breakfast. And then lunchtimes, I guess I didn't write it down, but the first day lunch, so I'll definitely want burgers that day. The first day lunch, they're having like egg salad, Caesar salad, some soups, so light stuff. So I'll definitely run up and get my burgers for lunch that day. I'll grab a couple burgers for my lunch that day. And then, we'll go out to eat that night. Let's see. And so, anyway, so I wrote out to bring 12 burger patties and then some salt, 9 of my keto chow waffles. I sure hope y'all hear me. The wind is blowing. Oh, I got to show you my pants. Wait, the last food thing is a cooler with ice, and then I'll refill it with ice each day. Now, look at my pants. Hang on. This ground is so uneven. Got my black boots on. So these are my Temu pants. Yeah, I sure hope y'all can hear me. All right, anyway, then it switches over to medications. So I'll take like my medications I take every day. I'm bringing Bonine. That kind of works well if I've got a little dizziness going or motion sickness. Some Tylenol, some Pepto, some Advil cold and sinus, some Mucinex, my eye drops, and my eye ointment that I put in every night. I know there's a guy behind us. I'm sorry. Bathroom stuff, makeup, deodorant, lotion, poopery, shower stuff, hair tie, hair products, tooth care products, tweezers, a razor for my face. I'm just going to keep plugging and hope you hear me. A razor for my face. I take baby wipes. I like to use baby wipes after I have a movement or to wash my makeup off. Baby wipes. Hang on, I lost the spot. I bring toilet paper, puffs, some Q-tips, Band-Aids, a hair clip, lens cleaners, some of those tooth flosser sticks, clothes. I've got on house shoes, underwear, socks, bras, pants, jeans, shirts, shoes, pajamas, my Sudoku book, and headphones and a charger. Then before I leave, I have to shave, drop off the dog, and make sure I bring their dog food, and their pills. Make sure I bring any pills or creams they're on. Close the dog doors, turn on all the alarms, and turn on all the cameras. Set my thermostat 80 in the summer and 60 in the winter. I don't know. I guess I'll put it on. I don't know. We'll see what it is. Close my curtains and turn the lights on. So that's my list. So what I'll do is I'll take this home and have it all ready. But I have to remember to add my jerky and my coffee syrup. So anyway, that's what I have, y'all. That's kind of my game plan. I'm sorry. I don't know what you heard and didn't hear. But anyway, and like I said, I have Allie after work. So I don't know what I'll tell y'all. But okay, bye. Y'all, I'm still whining about this view. I emailed the company because I'm like, I don't like this. I don't like this at all. And I said, did you all do some change? And it said, yes, we turned off mirroring on the front camera. And he said that they don't know when or if it'll be turned back on. Well, I don't like it because it's like everything's the opposite. You know how you look in a mirror and you raise your right hand's on the right side, and you raise your left hand, so it's the opposite. This is my right hand. To the right of my body is this door. But the way it records, now I don't know how it appears, but the way it's recording is it shows it on my left side. So this is my left side, and the left side, as I look at the camera, is on the right side. I don't like it, but I'm going to complain about it. Last night's Terri was so nice to today's Terri. Only thing she didn't do, which is a little disappointing, is she didn't chop up the chicken, which that was a little dumb, but whatever. So I got big old hunks of chicken. But we'll go over the macros. I got to speed through this, but I won't like copy the macros and show you. I'm just going to read them to you. So just know that I'm reading them. First, got to take a bite and see if this is any good. I'll tell you what it is in a second. Come on, fella. I bit my upper lip today. That just makes you so mad. Hurts so bad, just makes you mad. Anyway, go ahead and salt. Hang on. Alright. So, my coffees are the same. Lunch was my cabbage. Ooh, doggies, that was a little wild. I broke out my little Richards. No, here you are. I haven't used this in a long time. I broke it out. So I used my tricolor coleslaw for my lunch. My salad. Onion, rutabaga, pepper, tomato, ground beef, my G. Hughes dipping sauce. I really like this stuff. It might be bad for me, but I bought some. It's that Better Goods corn salsa. I like it. It reminds me of cowboy caviar. So it's really good. But anyway, corn salsa. So you know my carbs will be up, but some Rayo. Oh wait. Some Rayos. It's the 4 cheese sauce is the Rayos this time. And hang on. Oh, and some. I get the Asiago Romano Parmesan cheese, the shaky cheese. Hang on, you know I'm gonna take another bite. Come on, I want a smaller bite. Lunch was 730 calories, 71 protein, 28 net carbs, and 29 fat. The high calorie thing, it was the Rayos, was 80. That sprinkled cheese was 50 calories. And of course, my ground beef is 430. And the cabbage is 44. So those are the higher calorie things. Supper. I got Zevia, but it ain't. My keto chow. Ooh, this is butterscotch and snickerdoodle. I'm excited to try this one. I'm just going to skip the rest of it and just eat that. I'll do whipped topping before I go to bed. So this is 7 ounces of chicken. It's just frozen chicken thighs that I crock potted. I portioned out in 7 ounces. So it's chicken thigh. Obviously not cut apart. And then I put on there Alfredo. One of those like single serving things of Daisy cottage cheese. Some feta. It's got Mediterranean herb feta cheese. And I'm telling you, I got everything out. I can't guarantee that tonight Terri is going to do the same for tomorrow's Terri, but last night I had it all I was going to bed and I had to get stuff ready for lunch today. So I was like, girl, just get this ready for tomorrow's, Terri. So I even had this out in a Ziploc bag. That was nice of me. So yeah, that's my lunch. There's supper. It's the La Tortilla Factory. So it's 697 calories, 87 protein, 17 net carbs, and 32 grams of fat. I'm listening for my lawn guy. They didn't come yet today. So when I leave to go see my alley, I'll have to make sure I close off the dog door. My macros for the day is 1,496 calories, 158 protein, 50 net carbs, and 65 grams of fat. So that is my macros for the day. Y'all. It's been a good day. A lot going on. A couple meetings. I try to remember to take like my electrolytes to go whenever I go see Allie. If you're new here, Allie's my therapist. I think anybody on the weight journey should get therapy. I didn't on the way down, but I realized that there's a lot of mental work to weight loss. It's a lot's on the scale, but there's a lot of mental health work. Because you got to figure out, why am I hungry? Why am I eating? You know, there's a lot more than just eating bad food. For some people, not all people. For some people, it's just how they were raised. But it wasn't how I was raised. So, alright. I love y'all. And I'll see you tomorrow. So, bye.